Kickback Pilates is a particular class that I've been teaching for many years now. In fact, I've been teaching this since 1993. It probably took me, I'll say 14 years to truly say that I've mastered it in a sense of confidently teaching it to anybody. It's a low impact, core stability based class that we do here. It's very unique. I've never seen it taught anywhere before. It's designed for introduction, core strengthening, core stability. It also utilizes muscle elongation, which is almost like a yoga or a Pilates, let's say, combination, giving you the effect of an elongated look. It's also a conditioner. It'll work on your conditioning. I'm going to demonstrate a simple kick-out technique that anybody can do. This clearly has different levels of achievement. You have your beginner, intermediate, and you also have your advanced. With your beginner, for example, coming in here, we would use this ball here. It's a small ball. It's weightless, more or less, and it doesn't really give much, doesn't really require much strength to hold the ball. For example, if I want to isolate, let's say, my lower body with my abdominal core, and some people can't do crunches, it's just bad for their back. This will actually aid in that area when it comes to the results you're looking for. I would begin with this manner. Ball in front, I have my toe in the bag, and I'll begin 10, 10, and then 10, the entire time, okay? And then I would change legs and do the exact same thing. I'm not gonna do the full 10, but we know it's a count of 10, and we go from there. That would be for the beginner. Let's say you're more intermediate to advanced. We would use the weighted ball. This weighted ball puts a lot more focus on the core and dramatically affects the kick out because you have to stabilize the weight. It's a 4-pound ball, but does quite a bit. Another routine we can do here for the buttocks region or the glute region is we have the ball, this is more advanced intermediate, find the bag, that hits glutes and abdominal core with a weighted ball. You can do it with the smaller ball as well, but clearly the heavier the ball, the more isolation we're gonna get when it comes to the core work. For example, windmills. Some people have a hard time with the inner thigh. They really can't get much toning effect there. We grab this and we do windmill. I'll make it look easy. People, get a ball at your gym, try the unit. When you windmill, make sure your toe is elevated straight and your leg is straight. And you count 15 and 15. You do 4 sets of that. Try 4 sets, tell me what you think. Let's face it, martial arts, MMA, kickboxing, all these things are pretty mainstream now when it comes to fitness. And a lot of clubs are teaching these classes. My problem is when you have 20 people in a class, even if you have 8 instructors, I don't really think there's any real way you can target or focus each person individually. So what I do here is we have small group classes, 4 to 6 people. And this is a way we're able to really focus on individuals and dramatically advance them when it comes to their overall development, when it comes to exercise. The martial arts classes that we teach are very diverse. I'm gonna show you one that we do in a group format, for example. There's 2 bags, 1 bag in front and 1 bag behind. This is more of a intermediate punch out. I'm gonna try to slow it down, but what this particular bag combination does is strains the core on the anterior and the posterior platform, front and back of the body. Normally when we're striking, it's always frontal, which is fine. But we have a whole other half of the body back here we just don't hit. And when we get hurt and we get strains and pulls, often it's because we're lacking strength somewhere in the body, odds are. So the stronger we are in the back is the better we are in the front. Here's a little punch out that I would actually demonstrate with my clients and have them do in the class. And they would do this particular combination, we'll say 4 times over. For example. Okay, then I would change sides. And of course, our kicks would follow. See? That's obviously clearly an advanced combination. A more basic combination would be something like this. Would be a more basic combination. 4 times over. Core, posterior, stability. Stay fit.